Hi, I am Ashik Raman from Accounting Syllabuses. Welcome back to my channel. In my channel, here I upload couple of accounting tutorials weekly. So today our topic is limited company. So in this lesson, I'm going to show you how to calculate amount of proposed dividend. Let's get started. Okay, so today I'll show you calculation of proposed dividend, and to show these calculations I'm going to follow a question which is taken from Cambridge A-Level Accounting first paper. Okay, so let us have a look at the questions before we start here. C Limited's statement of financial position at 31st December 2020 is shown with comparative figures at 31st December 2019. Okay, so here statement of financial positions is given for 2 years side by side. Okay, let us have a look at there once again. So we see here 2020 on the left column and 2019 in the right side. Okay, so here we have information side by side, we can see, and below the questions we have some here informations. Okay, then what is written in the question? The directors of C Limited wish to propose a dividend of $0.01 per share on all shares in issue at 31st December 2020. Okay, that means at the end of the period, the company is wishing to issue proposed dividend. Okay, and the amount is $0.01 per share. Okay, what is the requirement here? Calculate the amount of proposed dividend. So from this information now we have to calculate our dividend, means proposed dividend. Okay, so here we see in the question that we have to calculate proposed dividend for 31st August 2020. Yeah, so this is for 31st. So for 31st December 2020 we have to calculate dividend. Okay, point to be noted. But here we have informations for 2 years, one for 20, one for 19. Okay, so now we will take all informations from 2020, not from 19. Okay, so here to calculate the dividend we have to calculate first of all the number of shares. Okay, but in the question there is no number of shares. Okay, but we can calculate. Yeah, so let us write here number of share, total ordinary share equal to, we can write here amount of ordinary share capital divided by price per share. Okay, so here in the questions we see that price per share is given, which is $0.25. Okay, and in the question we have ordinary share capital, which is $1,800,000. Yeah, so now if we divide $1,800,000 by price per share, which is 0.25, what we get? We get 7,200,000 what? Dollars? No, 7,200,000 shares. Yeah, okay, great. So now we found the number of shares. The company proposed a dividend at $0.01 per share. Yeah, okay, now if we multiply this amount with this share, then what we get? We get the amount of proposed dividend. Yeah, so let us write here proposed dividend equal to total share multiplied by dividend per share. Okay, so here what is our total share? It is 7,200,000. Yeah, so let us write here 7,200,000 shares multiplied by dividend per share is here 0.01. So let us write here 0.01. Okay. So now if we multiply, what we get? Very simple. It is $72,000. Okay. So this is the amount of proposed dividend. Okay, so this is very simple calculations, but still you have many confusions to calculate this. But I hope next time you will not make any mistake to calculate the proposed dividend. But remember, this is very common and very important topic in your syllabus. Okay, so this is a quick lesson. I hope you enjoyed and you understood this lesson. If you think that this video is helpful for you, please share it with your friends. Next time I'll show you some more questions like this so you can prepare for your exam properly. Okay, so please consider subscribing to my channel because there are other so many accounting tutorials. Those will help you to learn accounting, to understand accounting. Okay, so I'll see you soon with new video. Until then, bye bye and take care.